myself. I'm Muskan working in XenonStack as a business analyst as a part of delivery squad. Let me share with you why I am here. Okay, I'm here to share my experience on Experimental Saturday initiative by XenonStack, and I would also like to give a short demo of one of my experiments. As you know, I work here as a business analyst, and there are few challenges which we all face in regular day life while working on different projects. We must have one project management tool, and one of the possible answers to this project management tool would be Jira. I hope you must have heard about Jira. Let me give you a short description of what exactly is Jira. Jira is a very powerful project management tool and issue tracking tool widely used by development team nowadays. I feel in Jira there is a lot of manual work which we perform in day-to-day life, right? Like repeated work, and there is a lot of iterations in that work. Current manual processes in our Jira instance leads to delays, inefficiencies, human errors and mistakes, and we need to tackle this. Now the question arises how we need to do that. So let me share the solution for this statement, right? The solution is Jira automation. Yes, we can do this by using Jira automations. We can reduce our repetitive work, we can reduce the delays in our work by Jira automation. Jira automation is basically one of the powerful features of Jira itself, where you can reduce the manual work and you can customize this according to your needs. Let's move on to the implementation part and see how it actually works and how is the UI for the Jira automation. Here we are looking at some basic Jira interface. I hope you all have seen this one before. Now this is a basic Jira interface. Now moving on to the automation, how to do that. So in the corner here, you get this project setting, then you need to click on this. While you click, there are options for automation, and once you choose, you land on a listing page where all the automations you have completed till now will be listed here. Here are some free templates that Jira provides. These one are generalized and you can go through them. They are just basic templates and you can choose the automations from. Moving on, let me share you how to create a automation. So when you click on this create rule, you need to basically create a rule for your automation, right? Here it will lead you to choose a new trigger. Now what exactly is a trigger? Now trigger is something you need to choose from this list, and let me give you a short description what exactly is trigger. So basically you need to select an appropriate trigger that will initiate the automation rule. This is the most critical part of your automation because this will decide when this automation you are creating will initiate. So for example, let's take an issue and make a automation. I'm taking this issue delete. Now what is this? This will delete an issue, right? And once the rule will run when an issue is deleted. So let me save it, and now it is asking for a component. Now a component can be anything. You can add some condition using jQuery or some basic assigned conditions, or you can use action. Now what will be the action if the automation will run, right? Let's choose this new action, and you can choose different actions from this list. You can assign an issue, you can clone the issue, you can edit the issue. So this will give you a short description what you have to choose, right? Let me choose a send email. Now what here happening is we have chosen the trigger rule issue deleted, right? So our automation will work as soon as a issue is deleted. Now what will happen when a issue is deleted? It will send a mail. Now let's customize this. I'm selecting here reporter. So the reporter of the issue will get this mail, and let me add some information here and you can use this. So for the subject I've added like issue and issue key. Now what is this? This is basically a smart value, right? And if you don't know about smart value, you can read out these pages from Jira, right? and you can choose the different smart values for your automations. So I've used an issue key. So what it will return? So it will return the value of the issue key which has been deleted, right? Here I have added some text for content, and I've used this initiated or display name. This is one of the smart value where you can get the initiator who has deleted this. So we are expecting something like, here we'll get the issue key from Jira which has been deleted. Here we'll get something who has deleted the issue, right? So let's save this and move on. Let me give this an example. You can save it any name. I'm saving as delete automation rule, right? Okay. So once it is saved, now our automation is enabled. Let's get back to the project and delete some issue, right? Okay, let's delete this one, right? So it was created some days before and we can delete this one. So okay, let me delete. Now the issue has been deleted. Let's see if we get a mail from Jira or not. See, here I have received this mail where the subject is issue and it is returning the issue key which we have deleted, right? It is 248. So here the issue has been deleted. Now what is happening here? It is reducing our inefficiencies of our workflows. It is reducing the manual work. Now you can, just an example, you can also give automation a task from your side to create issue whenever there is a there's a user story created. You can have some UI development, API development task automatically created by the automation. So it is just reducing the manual work of yours. We have seen how implementation works. Moving on, let us discuss what are the benefits of automation. You already have discovered so far what are the benefits, but let's compile it into one space. First one, it is increasing the efficiency of our teams. Second, it is giving us the efficient workflows. It is reducing the human errors from the work, right? It is giving us time to collaborate with the team and hence improving the collaboration, right? It is giving us the standards, process and workflows where you can just standardize the things at your end. So yeah, that's a basic benefits of Jira automation. It is a widely used range. You can just give it a try. Jira automation provides insights and visibilities of their outcomes as well. You can see the audit logs for the execution and their details. Now, all these benefits are also serving the client, as it helps the clients to see the productivity outcome. It actually helps in increasing the productivity of the team. Moving on, how these experiments help me in my everyday life. It helps me to build logic and hence increasing my decision making powers and problem solving powers. Right? It helps me to add a skill set both to my personal and professional side. It gives us the opportunity to have a continuous learning. It fosters the habit of continuous learning, rather I say. I hope you liked the experiment and learned something today, and hoping that you'll definitely give this a try. Thank you.